name is Saurabh Pandey. Uh, Once I decided to brought a new car, that time I have seen so many options in different brands. But at the end of the day, I came to Modi Hyundai, and Modi Hyundai aate hi I met with Akash Jagtap, and he helped me on each and every step of the car. He's really helpful person. I First I booked white Creta 1.6 petrol IVT engine, but after that, just to surprise her, I wanted to change the color on a black. So he helped me on each and every step of this. Now I would like to ask Pooja to share her experience on this booking.
Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Kumawat and my experience to Modi Hyundai is very nice. We met first Akash here and then till the last date he coordinated with us very nicely. I can appreciate that उसने जो white का black है वो बहुत अच्छे से छुपा के रखा. Then second thing is सौरभ का सबसे बड़ा dream since I met him in 2012 to 2022 उसका आज वो complete हुआ है. So I'm congratulating him for this and thanks to Modi Hyundai and thanks to Akash.
Thanks, Akash.